The seller sent me this blender and I'm really excited to give this one a try. It's really cool because there's an option to vacuum it, which makes sure that you don't get any air inside of what you're blending, or you can blend it the regular way. But this one is super heavy duty industrial and we're going to go ahead and make a shake. So come on, let's go. That is very smooth. I don't think I've ever had to not struggle with a blender before whenever I'm making my protein shakes. So I'm really excited about this one. It comes with a recipe book and tons of different things that you can do with this blender. So if you're looking for something that you're not going to have to fight with, you're going to want to get this blender. It's absolutely fantastic.